Are you trading on a fake crypto exchange? With the crypto market booming, it's no surprise that scammers are targeting investors like you. But how do you know if the platform you're using is legitimate or a cleverly disguised trap? Fake cryptocurrency exchanges deceptively present as legitimate trading platforms, but they're nothing more than sophisticated scams designed to steal your funds or personal information. These fake exchanges mimic the appearance and functionality of real exchanges, making it incredibly difficult to tell the difference. So how can you protect yourself? First, always check for proper licensing and regulatory approvals. Legitimate exchanges will usually be registered with financial authorities. If an exchange can't provide proof of registration, that's a red flag. Second, look for user reviews and ratings. Trustworthy platforms will have a track record of satisfied users. Be cautious of exchanges with little to no online presence or overwhelmingly negative feedback. Third, scrutinize the security features. Real exchanges will prioritize your security by offering two-factor authentication, encryption, and cold storage for your assets. If these features are missing, it's a sign to stay away. Remember, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Offers of guaranteed returns or incredibly low fees are often bait used by scammers. Stay vigilant and always conduct thorough research before engaging with any cryptocurrency platform. Your due diligence is your best defense against falling victim to fake crypto exchanges. Thanks for watching and stay safe out there.